All right, Miss Gray. So this is how I add slides to my classes. So if you look on the left-hand side, you'll see modules. Click on modules. You're going to add the plus module. Let me make sure I mute it. So I'm going to just do this over again. I'm going to name it academic enrichment expectations. Add module. So you're going to click on the words academic enrichment, or you can click on the plus sign. I'm going to click new assignment, name that assignment, academic enrichment expectations. I misspelled that. Add item, click on academic enrichment, the word. This page should open up, click edit. Now this is how I add slides to my page. So go down to submission type. I want to leave points, 0, assignment group, assignment. So go to submission type, click the down menu, external tool, and it's going to ask you to enter the URL. What I usually do for that, and I already have the slides open, so I just go to the slide, copy and paste that link, enter that into this box, click find. You're going to go down to, you could go to Google Assignments or Google Docs Cloud Assignment. I use Google Docs Cloud Assignment. Type the title of the slide, and it came up. Click submit, select. I'm gonna open that in a new tool, in a new tab, I mean. So wait a minute. Click find. It didn't come up there. See if it come up. Hmm. Let me try it again. Click expectations, submit. It should be there. Let me see. It should appear here. So let me go back. Okay. So I'm gonna click save. Sorry about that. Make sure I got it. And it should show up here. You click on it, let it open up, and it should be there. I hope this helps. Let me know.